Hi, my friends. This is my homework. Drag. High price of moms have its drag on family business. They are happy. 20 years ago, my sister and I bought a business from our mother. We all love and respect one another and get along well. We will be finished paying off the business in 2 years. Our problem. Mom, who is 77, still draws her salary from us above and beyond the payment for the business. Her workload has lessened greatly, and it should. She could do observe her work in one day and lessen burden of salary. Thank you for your listening to me. Thank you very much.